Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick one this time about this thing here. This is the Tyro89 from Banggood. Now this comes as a kit, it isn't ready to fly, so it will require some assembly. Now I've looked at some of the other Tyro models on the channel. In fact, I have an entire series called Sub 250 gram, which has all of these smaller quadcopters and also wings and other things in there. So if you're interested in small kind of indoor or cool outdoor flying stuff, go and check out that playlist. I'll put a link down below. But the reason I'm making this video is that this kit is going to make a great little project for somebody to put together. And with all the stuff that I've got on here at the moment, I just won't have the time. So it needs to find a new home. So this is a giveaway. So if you're interested in getting hold of this and putting it together yourself and having a fun evening or two with your soldering iron, making a little quadcopter, then do the standard stuff. Please like the video, comment, make sure you're a subscriber, and I shall pick the winner in about a week's time. And it's fun to give something away after all that stuff that I did for the 12 days of Christmas. Good luck to everybody, and I'll do the draw in about a week. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.